Most budget bandsaws sold online are underpowered junk that stall under a few cuts. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and a broken blade. Tired of wrestling a noisy saw that can't cut true? This video breaks down the options so you pick confidently. Today, I'm going to be going over the best budget bandsaw that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the SEESII Benchtop bandsaw. From the moment you unbox it, the compact footprint signals a budget-friendly tool designed for hobbyists seeking reliable woodworking. The frame and body feel sturdy for a benchtop model, with a heavy-duty steel work table that measures 12 by 12 inches. Powered by a 350-watt motor on a 120-volt supply, it hits 1800 RPM. The 8-inch cutting width handles cabinet doors and small parts while fitting neatly on crowded workbenches. The 3 1/8-inch adjustable cutting height accommodates veneers to thick hardwoods with tool-free height control. The 0 to 45-degree tilting worktable enables bevel cuts and complex joinery without flipping the workpiece. The precision miter gauge locks securely at common angles, guiding your workpiece for accurate, repeatable cuts every time. When you need curves or straight lines, the dual-sided fence acts as a reliable guide for clean, consistent results. The heavy-duty 12 by 12-inch steel worktable provides stability with etched grids and a non-slip surface for secure cuts. In practical tests, it cuts plywood and hardwood efficiently, maintains stable bevels through the 45-degree range, and reduces chatter. Compared to a typical budget benchtop bandsaw, the SEESII offers more robust construction and steadier bevels. The pros include heavy-duty steel table, precise miter gauge, and bevel 45 degrees. The cons include 3 1/8 inches maximum cutting height and 8-inch throat. At number 4, we have the MAXXT 2-in-1 bandsaw. From first glance, this compact tool targets hobbyists and workshop professionals seeking portable cutting flexibility for metal and wood projects. The MAXXT 2-in-1 bandsaw features a sturdy, lightweight aluminum body that resists flexing under moderate pressure while delivering reliable stability during operation. Its 2-in-1 arrangement lets you detach the base or convert the unit into a table saw configuration for diverse tasks. With a 5-inch deep cut capacity, the design handles tubes and profiles that many portable saws struggle to manage. A robust 10-amp motor powers through steel and aluminum with dependable torque while maintaining manageable noise and vibration levels. The blade speed is infinitely adjustable from 60 to 420 feet per minute, enabling precise kerf control across materials. An integrated LED light illuminates the cutting area, while the aluminum tabletop provides a stable surface with confident clamping. Safety comes first with an emergency switch and auto cutoff that halts the blade at completion, reducing operator risk. In practical cuts, the MAXXT 2-in-1 bandsaw delivers clean burr-free kerfs on steel and aluminum with minimal blade deflection. In a comparison with the rival Pro bandsaw, the MAXXT delivers greater portability and versatility thanks to its 2-in-1 design. The pros include powerful 10-amp motor, 2-in-1 versatility with table saw base, and integrated LED light for precise cuts. The cons include higher price compared to entry-level models and heavier weight that may affect long-term portability. Maintenance and service notes show blade replacement is straightforward with standard bandsaw components, and the rolling base simplifies workspace rearrangements. For buyers seeking portability without sacrificing power, this MAXXT delivers compelling value despite its price premium. At number 3, we have the ONEMANA 5-inch cordless bandsaw. This compact cordless bandsaw immediately signals its appeal to woodworkers, metalworkers, and DIY enthusiasts seeking portable power without a cluttered workshop. The rugged brushed aluminum shell delivers durable construction while the compact form ensures maneuverability in tight spaces during demanding tasks. A lightweight design with a 5-inch cutting frame makes it easy to carry between job sites and fit into limited work areas. A powerful brushless motor drives the blade at 630 surface feet per minute, delivering efficient cuts through metal, wood, and plastic. The blade runs cooler and minimizes sparks for burr-free cuts, reducing safety concerns on metal and eliminating much post-processing. The included blade measures 1,141 mm by 13 mm by 650 micrometers, ensuring precise cuts. In field tests, the ONEMANA effortlessly navigated hardwoods and softer metals while maintaining consistent speeds and clean edges. In a direct comparison with the MAXXT cordless bandsaw, the ONEMANA clearly edges ahead on portability and battery flexibility. The pros include cordless portability, MAXXT battery compatibility, and burr-free cutting performance that reduces cleanup after jobs. The cons include a higher price point and the need to supply your own battery for operation at purchase. Its compact 5-inch cutting frame allows impressive precision in tight spaces, while the compact ergonomics reduce fatigue during long sessions. This model targets weekend DIYers, small shops, and professionals who prioritize portability without sacrificing cut quality for demanding projects. On job sites, the ONEMANA performs reliably, maintaining steady speeds and producing consistent results through diverse materials with minimal effort. Maintenance and blade changes are straightforward, enabling quick swaps that keep multiple projects moving without downtime on busy days. Overall, the ONEMANA offers a compelling blend of portability, power, and compatibility for versatile on-site cutting tasks. At number 2, we have the DEWALT DCS378B. This portable cordless bandsaw targets contractors who need on-site versatility without sacrificing cutting capacity, durability, or overall workflow efficiency. Its compact form enables confident maneuvering in tight corners and overhead installations, reducing fatigue during long days and improving alignment on critical cuts. The brushless motor delivers impressive power and efficiency, balancing high speed with sustained performance to tackle demanding commercial wood and metal tasks. An integrated chip pocket and Tool Connect chip ready enable asset tracking when paired with the Site Manager app. The tool includes an integrated blade guard that protects users from blade contact while prolonging blade life overall durability. A variable speed trigger and dial provide multiple blade speeds for different materials and finishes in a single, comfortable motion. Lanyard-ready design adds a tether point for safer operation on elevated or vertical surfaces on busy work sites. A built-in LED illuminates the cutting zone, reducing guesswork and improving precision in dim job site corners everywhere. In real-world testing, this model achieves up to 120 cuts per charge when cutting 12-gauge steel, showcasing efficiency. During continuous operation, the saw completes a 12-gauge strut cut in about 5.1 seconds, illustrating fast cycle times. In a direct comparison with the Milwaukee M18-volt bandsaw, the DEWALT mid-range model delivers larger cut capacity and stronger efficiency. This model is likely a best fit for electricians, HVAC installers, and metal fabricators who value mobility without sacrificing performance. The battery life and XR ecosystem matter, yet the bare tool keeps upfront costs lower for crews who already own 20-volt packs. The pros include large cut capacity, robust brushless motor, and cordless portability that streamlines job site setup significantly. The cons include a higher price point and a more intricate battery ecosystem that may complicate accessory selection and maintenance. At number 1, we have the SEESII Benchtop bandsaw. From its compact footprint to the steel frame, the SEESII unit signals practical value for hobbyists seeking reliable woodworking at home. The 350-watt motor balances power with safety, enabling smooth cutting across typical hobby materials without overwhelming noise. With an 8-inch throat, the saw accommodates cabinet doors and plywood curves while still fitting a compact benchtop workstation. The adjustable cutting height spans from veneers to thick hardwoods through a tool-free height adjustment for consistent, precise layers. Bevel capability rests on a robust rack and pinion mechanism allowing 0 to 45 degrees of tilt for precise bevel joints. Precision miter gauge locks securely at common angles, while the dual-sided fence provides dependable guidance for straight cuts and decorative profiles. The 12 by 12-inch worktable features laser-etched measurement grids and non-slip texture to stabilize pieces during complex operations. Versatility shines as you guide curves and scrolls with the fence and fence alignment guides, enabling decorative applications and custom furniture components. An integrated heavy-duty steel worktable provides rigidity during bevel and curved cuts, resisting warping and maintaining alignment under high loads. Field testing confirms clean, precise cuts across plywood and soft hardwoods with minimal blade wandering when users clamp and feed steadily. Field results reveal accurate bevels and miters across common projects, thanks to the precise rack and pinion mechanism and solid table support. The operation stays quiet enough for a home workshop with vibration minimal when mounted on a stable base. Compared to a larger floor model, the SEESII Benchtop bandsaw delivers superior portability and value, though it sacrifices some table space. The pros include strong steel frame, bevel and miter precision, and generous 12 by 12-inch table overall. The cons include limited dust collection and small work surface, which can impede long sessions and handling of larger stock.